In this video, we will talk about how the Guptas, who at the start controlled a small territory in the Middle Gangetic Plain, went on to build an empire that controlled most of the territory of northern India. So if we start our story with the early Gupta history, we find that at the start of 4th century AD, the second Gupta ruler Ghatokacha was ruling a small territory in what is now eastern UP region. And we find that the territory which Ghatokacha controlled was not really significant. This can be seen from the fact that we do not have any inscription that was commissioned by Ghatokacha. But the fortune of the Guptas changed with the accession of Ghatokacha's son, whose name was Chandragupta. Chandragupta was the third Gupta ruler, and in the Vayu Puran we are told that he ruled the territory of Saket, Kosala and Magad. So this suggests that by the time of Chandragupta, the third Gupta ruler, he had significantly expanded the territory of the Guptas. And most likely because of this expansion of the Gupta power, we find that he was able to secure a matrimonial alliance with the Lichavis. The Lichavis during this time controlled the region of northern Bihar. In this matrimonial alliance, Chandragupta married a Lichavi princess whose name was Kumar Devi. This marriage not only provided Chandragupta an important and powerful ally, but we find that the son who was born to Kumar Devi and Chandragupta would soon rule the territory of both the Guptas and the Lichavis. This son was Samudragupta, and with his accession to the Gupta throne, we find that the territory of both the Guptas and the Lichavis became united. With the unification of these two powerful allies, we find that now Samudragupta ruled the Middle Gangetic Plains. This was the region which was earlier part of the core of Mauryan Empire, and now it was Samudragupta who was ruling this region. By taking control of the Middle Gangetic Plains, Samudragupta was able to utilize the resources which this region had to offer. And it was probably the resources of the Middle Gangetic Plains that helped Samudragupta in his conquest. It was during the reign of Samudragupta we find that the territory of the Gupta Empire increased significantly. Most of the northern India was conquered by Samudragupta. And in his Prashasti, Samudragupta tells us that he also led an expedition in the south. Now, most likely, this expedition was not real conquest. Samudragupta just accepted the submission of southern kings, but he did not control this region. It was during the reign of Samudragupta that the Gupta kingdom truly became an empire. And now, the boundary of the Gupta stretched in the north up to eastern Punjab. In the south, Narmada was the boundary, and in the east we find that parts of Assam was under the Gupta sway. It was this empire which Samudragupta's son Chandragupta II inherited. Now what we find is that in the reign of Samudragupta, the region of Gujarat was not conquered by him. And now it was the job of Chandragupta II to conquer the Gujarat region. Based on our sources, it appears that this campaign to conquer Gujarat region was the most important campaign which Chandragupta II had led. And it appears that Chandragupta II had only managed to conquer the eastern Gujarat region. The conquest of the whole Gujarat region will be completed in the reign of Chandragupta II's successor, Kumaragupta. In the reign of Kumaragupta, we find that the Gupta Empire reached its peak. The territory from eastern coast to the western coast was under the control of the Guptas. Kumaragupta's reign was also the period when the consolidation of the Gupta Empire took place. When Skandagupta inherited the Gupta throne, we find that this territory which Kumaragupta had consolidated remained under his control. And it was only during the reign of Skandagupta's successors that we find Gupta Empire disintegrating. Now if you want to know about different Gupta rulers and what happened in their reign, please watch this playlist. Thank you for watching.